How to change chart type in IC markets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to change the chart type in IC markets, launch Open IC Markets app on your device first. Also make sure you're logged into your account, and once you're logged in, from the home page of IC Markets, tap on the menu button at the top left and click on the home button. Once you're in the home page, scroll down and select a currency pair from the Markets tab. This will open up this page along with the chart. Simply tap on the chart icon at the top right, and from the chart page, click on the chart diagram, this one over here at the top right corner, right next to the D logo. And now choose the different chart type you want to change to. You'll see different options such as bars, candles, hollow candles, volume candles, line, area, and so on. Choose your preferred chart type. Just click on the one you want and the chart will instantly update. So there you go. That's how you change your chart types in IC markets. It is super quick once you know where to look. Play around with different styles and find the one that makes your trading decisions clearer and more confident. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.